Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I have something super cool to share with you. I am taking a trip to Colborne Lodge in Toronto's High Park, and trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end of the video because I've got a fun surprise waiting for you. Colborne Lodge is a beautiful old house that was home to John and Jemima Howard, who were from England and loved to paint. Their paintings are still hanging on the walls. They also did something really awesome for Toronto, the city's architecture, and later they sold to the city the land that High Park is on today. Imagine, without them, we might not have had this amazing green space. When you walk into Colborne Lodge, it's like stepping back in time. Everything's still there, from the fancy silverware, though nope, they won't serve you dinner there since it's a museum, to the cozy kitchen with a fire that's been warming the place up just like it did hundreds of years ago. One of the coolest things I learned there was about the old beds. Ever heard the saying, sleep tight? That comes from back in the day when beds were made with ropes. You had to keep those ropes tight so the bed wouldn't sag. Neat, right? There's also this old-fashioned toilet with the original wallpapers around it. Despite being pretty well off, John and Jemima never had kids. John did have a mistress and 3 kids with her, but those kids couldn't inherit anything because, well, it was a different time and they weren't officially recognized. After Jemima passed away, the city got the lodge and the land for just $300, and that's why we have High Park. I'm definitely planning to bring my grade 12 students here. It's a great way to see and feel history up close. And now for that surprise I mentioned. At the end of this video, you'll find a link and a QR code. They'll take you to my free education group on Canvas, where you can join a quiz about today's adventure and more. It's a cool way to test what you've learned and improve your English. Plus, I'll be adding more videos and quizzes, so there's lots to look forward to. So, what do you say? Ready to dive into history with me and maybe learn something new along the way?